Guys, in this video we are going to install PopOS, that is the 22.04 LTS version instead of beta. You can see they released the beta version like 24.04, but this is not available as stable version, so you can go with this 22.04. And some of the few details about this PopOS. It is based on Ubuntu and it is using basically the desktop environment, that is Cosmic. And you can see it is support all this, I mean AMD and Intel. And you can see they include some of the package which is basically easy, I mean it easy to set up TensorFlow and CUDA things for AI. And you can see the release history. From the release history you can see like the current release is like 22.04 LTS, and the future release is 24, which is available from the December, I think, this year. So it's based on 22 Ubuntu 22, and 24 also based on Ubuntu 24. So let me download this file 22.04 stable release, that LTS long-term support. And since I already downloaded this file, the size is around 2.56 GB. Let me going to install this in a virtual machine. So first we can create one virtual machine, and ISO, we can reference this ISO, and you can all pass all parameters like CPU, memory and hard disk. All these things set. Let me click finish. And once you click finish, if you want the second interface, you can add the second interface also. I have added the second interface also, hostile interface, and the first interfaces look like this. I click on OK, then I can start this installation. Now you can see it started. It's booting from the ISO image. PopOS 22.04 LTS version. Now you can see the interface, and we can go with this language. You can select your language accordingly. So I select the language, and instead of custom install, I'll go with the clean install. So I selected my hard disk. I provisioned around 70 GB of hard disk. Click on that and erase and install. Yeah, I'll put the username details. Then you can set the computer name. Once you set the password for this user, whatever user you created in the previous step, then click on next. Then the encryption is same as the account password. I think it's not required to encrypt the drive, but by default it is selected. Don't encrypt. Now it is partitioning the drive, so it will take couple of seconds. So the installation is completed, so it is asked for the username password. So I can click on this username and I provide the password. Now the desktop screen is coming, so the welcome page is coming. Now you can click on the next, configure top bar. You can customize all these things if you want to customize. You can set the time zone here. I can set the time zone here and click on next. If you want to connect all these things, Google account or Microsoft account, you can, otherwise skip this one and start using PopOS. You can open the terminal and here you can switch to root account. You can check all this IP configuration details here, and if you're interested, we can check the OS release also. You can see it is Ubuntu base, and you can update the package apt update. Now it is taking the PopOS repository. Yeah, so basic things like how much space is consumed. Almost 8 GB space is consumed, and memory utilization you can check. You can see it is consuming almost 1.3 GB out of this 8 GB provisioned, and disk space you can see it is taking almost 8 GB. And you can continue to explore all these things, GUI features also. There is a lot of icons are there. You can go through all these things, and yeah, that's it.